Hotel de Van in Stratford-upon-Avon, and we are celebrating Amy's 40th birthday. So in the UK, an appropriate celebration is afternoon tea. So we're going to have sandwiches and cakes and champagne.
Very exciting. So Ate Amy, that's the celebrant. We're having afternoon tea and we'll show you the food when it comes. We're so excited. So this is the hotel that we're in. Very fancy. And those are the ones. Look at the Amy. So pretty. She's 40 years old. Like, how on earth she's 40? She does not look 40 at all.
With this 40-year-old, what have you got to say for yourself?
40 and fabulous.
Yes!
What does that make me then? 50?
Look at all the wines. These are the marmalade. Very cute.
Happy birthday, darling.
Cheers, cheers. Magpapapicture si Ate Amy doon sa my bike. Look at this! How pretty! Look at the outside, guys. It's raining today, so anyway, look at the outside. Look at the Amy. Look at her. I'm just gonna take a picture of her. Guys, may ganito na akong bike, pero hindi gaya nitong basket. Maliit na yung basket ko. Pero tingnan niyo yung flowers. Very nice. So nice. Ang nice sa hotel na to. Ang posh namin kasi may champagne kami. At saka mag-afternoon tea din kami. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Kaya thank you sa sponsor. Ayan. Tapos may champagne pa kami. Diba? May extra pa kaming champagne.
You're thinking...
Guys, i-introduce ko lang sa inyo ang aking isang sister-in-law kasi nakilala niyo na si Cheryl at ito ang aking isang sister-in-law si Tammy. Hello! So ito yung dineliver nila. Scones, bread, butter, so yummy.
I really like
The celebrant is opening her present.
That's the bag.
Ah, she likes that. It's earrings.
pretty.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So they will look nice with your hair now, with that colour in it. Oh, they're beautiful. That's fine anyway, that's no worries. That's fine.
So let me just let you know what we have here, right? So these white ones are white chocolate and raspberry.
Yeah.
Here we have tart au citron, so lemon tart, blueberry muffins, chocolate eclair, all right?
Oh my
And in the
goodness.
middle, 2 macaroons. They're orange. We usually have strawberry.
And
but
look
I
at the
think we have
sandwiches.
It
Lovely.
will look very good.
Nice.
It looks so good.
Green thing.
Sorry?
That green cake. I had that in the photo.
Oh, she wants a green cake. Look, she's
Will be
looking
the
at
macaroon.
And this is a cucumber.
For the green cake and it's yellow today.
Then we have egg and water, just sorry, egg salad. Then salmon and crema.
Cheers, guys.
You see that? That
Cheryl, what do you think of the food?
I'm currently eating a chocolate eclair and it's just like, whoa.
Okay.
It's just a cake. That's what Cheryl's eating. Tapos na kami kumain. Ito yung aftermath.
¿Cómo está? Is that all Spanish?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Hey, We've had a lovely, lovely evening, afternoon, and we're now going on to cocktails. So join us back for the cocktail hour.
So yan na yung yung aftermath. Naubos na namin. Hindi naman, may tira pa, pero busog na kami. Cheers! There's one there. I'll just put it in here and then I'll just slide that. Espresso martini. Look at that. It's a cocktail. Espresso martini. Amy mag-taste ng espresso martini. Yummy?
Oh my god.
Tastes like coffee, right?
Oh wow,
It's nice.
Coffee with alcohol.
Yes, it's so
Coffee with
nice.
alcohol.
Yeah.
It's so popular these. It's a bit of a pick-me-up.
Yummy.
Espresso with latte, guys.
Parang kayo umigyan ng kape pero may alcohol.
with you. So, we've had a lovely 40th birthday celebration for Amy. We had a couple of espresso martinis, many champagnes. But you know what? I love all you viewers. And if you'd like to see me more, comment and view.
Gusto ko lang mag-good night sa inyong lahat, guys. Nakauwi na ako galing sa afternoon tea kanina. Nakapambahay na ako, tapos magti-take off lang ako ng makeup ko. Dito kasi sa UK, parang nakaugalian na nila or naging tradition na nila na mapunta sa restaurant o cafe, whatever, mag-afternoon tea, tapos sa nakikita nyo kanina, so may mga kung ano bang gusto mo, tea or coffee, tapos sandwiches, mga cake, tapos kung gusto nyo mag-champagne kayo. Kaya nag-enjoy talaga kami kanina. Kaya yun, I just wanna say thank you kay Ate Amy sa pag-imbita sa amin. I really enjoyed my afternoon. Kaya maghuhugas lang ako ng mukha and then tulog. Ito pala yung sabon na ginagamit ko. Inano ko lang siya, tinatry ko pa din siya, yung kay Bello na Bello Intensive Whitening Bar. Hindi ko alam kung whitening talaga siya kasi few weeks po ko pa lang siya ginagamit. Kaya tingnan natin para sa mukha ko, kung mag-iba ba yung mukha ko, whatever. Kaya good night, guys. Thank you for watching.